Good day everyone. Today, ang procedure natin na gagawin is eyes and ears medication. So, for the planning, check natin yung doctor's order. Pangalawa is review client's record. Pangatlo is gather all the materials needed. And wash hands, wear PPE, and follow the 10 rights of drug administration. So, ito yung mga materials natin. Meron tayo dito gloves. Assume na lang natin na tissue to, and sa eyes medication and ears medication. So, una maglalagay muna tayo ng gloves. Ayan. So after pa natin maglagay ng gloves, puposition muna natin si patient ng supine position na nakatilt yung head. So after po nun is maglalagay tayo ng tissue sa eyelid ni patient para if may excess na eye medication, masasapon ng tissue. So lalagay lang ako ng tissue. So, bubuksan natin yung for yung eye medication. So, bago pa natin maglagay ng gamot sa mata or for yung medication, i-ano po muna natin yung eye stimulation. Papatingin natin siya sa taas. So, patient taas. Yan. So, kung if may excess po ng medication, wipe lang po natin yun. Kabila naman.
Yan.
So kung may excess po, pupunasan lang po natin ng tissue. So after po nun is evaluate po natin kung yung na-relieve po ba yung sa mata ni patient, and document din po natin yung oras and procedure na ginawa natin. So that's all.